Hello everyone, this is Leo from RailMac. In this video, I will introduce RailMac's new energy locomotive series products. RailMac is a professional one-stop railway equipment solution provider, offering HCD 5000 to HCD 1500 new energy locomotives, HCT 3000 to 5000 electric pullers, and HCD railcars. We also provide electric conversion services, locomotive operation and maintenance, leasing, and major and medium-sized repair services to ensure equipment performance and reliability. RailMac is committed to providing high-quality products and services that meet the diverse needs of our global customers. As an innovator in the rail transit industry, RailMac focuses on leasing and financial leasing services for new energy and diesel locomotives. With a diverse product range, flexible leasing plans, professional operation and maintenance support, and tailored services, we meet our clients' varied needs, helping them achieve green, efficient, and cost-effective operations while advancing the sustainable development of the rail sector. RailMac specializes in the operation, maintenance, and support of railway locomotives, providing comprehensive solutions in traction, rolling stock, engineering, and power systems for enterprises with dedicated railway lines, ensuring safe and efficient transportation. RailMac is equipped with a skilled maintenance team and advanced facilities, capable of performing major and intermediate overhauls on a wide range of locomotives and vehicles, including the SS, DF, GK, Titan, DFH, NG, MY, JMY, Union Series, as well as former East German B100 and B1003 models, railcars, torpedo cars, and other rolling stock, ensuring reliable equipment operation. RailMac is equipped with an advanced research and development team and robust manufacturing capabilities, offering a wide range of new energy locomotives, including but not limited to HCD 1000, HCD 1500, HCD 2500, HCD 3500, HCD 5000 models, featuring zero emissions, low noise, high efficiency, and intelligent control. These locomotives are widely used in coal, metallurgy, petrochemicals, ports, and railway logistics help to meet diverse needs in shunting and short-distance freight transportation. Leveraging advanced technology, RailMac specializes in diesel-to-electric locomotive and retrofitting. We convert traditional diesel locomotives into new energy models with zero emissions, low noise, and high energy efficiency, helping enterprises reduce costs, cut emissions, and enhance operational performance while driving the industry toward a greener and smarter future. Based on our rich experience and resources, RailMac provides customized solutions for all of our global railway business partners. You are welcome to contact our professional service team to explore our premium locomotive offerings. Thanks for your time with us. Welcome to contact RailMac at any time. For more details about our company, products, and services, you are welcome to visit our homepage, www.rail-mac.com.